Single-pair Ethernet presents an exciting new standard for smart network communication. This emerging technology makes consistent IP communication and power supply possible, even within complex industrial applications and IoT solutions. The standardized SPE connector system from Phoenix Contact offers almost unlimited options for efficient and space-saving system cabling. To see how technology has evolved to get us to single-pair Ethernet, let's take a look at the history of industrial networking technology. In the 80s, Fieldbus grew through independent efforts with the development of Profibus in 1986. Following close behind, Phoenix Contact emerged as an industrial network leader with the Interbus system in 1987. This protocol became an established solution for serial data transmission in sensor actuator applications. Ethernet has been the established physical layer in local data networks at the corporate and control level for many years. The top bar on this timeline shows how Ethernet has evolved, jumping from 10 megabits per second in 1990 to 1 gigabit per second in 1999, with the introduction of Power over Ethernet, or PoE, in 2003. Along with Ethernet, industrial Ethernet standards and groups were defined over the years to support industrial applications. With the seamless transmission of information via TCP/IP, Ethernet is viewed as the application-neutral communication layer for local IoT networks. The unique compatibility of single-pair Ethernet between new and old generations is the basis for the future. Another way to look at the evolution of networking is to evaluate present-day networking functions. Industrial automation markets for factory, process, buildings, agriculture, utilities, and ITS form the base of the pyramid. This shape is a great representation of the top-down topography that we see in industrial networking. Networking is a catalyst for industrial growth and efficiency. However, by examining industry trends, it's clear that more evolution is needed to face the demands of tomorrow. So let's look at industrial trends to understand where they fit, or don't fit, into the current structure. In recent years, smart devices have increased our communication capabilities, with the devices growing ever smaller in size while expanding in terms of functionality. Previously, communication was a one-way conversation, but now we want devices to talk back, or at least give us diagnostics to understand the condition of the device. To do this, you need efficiency. Efficiency begins with bidirectional data communication. For the device to report back, it needs a cabling system that supports bidirectional data flow. This diagnostic reporting is critical to help you replace worn devices before they fail. There is no better way to avoid line-down situations than to actively prevent them with proper vigilance and maintenance. Real-time manufacturing data. With so much data, there needs to be an easy way to store and access it. By developing an ecosystem with connectivity from the device all the way to the cloud, we can facilitate remote access to real-time information from the factory floor for better analytics and faster problem response. Lastly, capability. We're always looking for more. Faster communication, longer runs, expanded capabilities. If you've heard the term Advanced Physical Layer, or APL, this is what we're referring to. A new system that can facilitate the next evolution of industry, also known as Industry 4.0. Single-pair Ethernet will bring these trends to fruition, providing high capability in a small size, IP20 solutions for inside cabinets, IP67 solutions for the factory floor, and a cable with just one twisted pair to expand the reach of Ethernet. Bidirectional data flow is how information is sent to and from a device in a single pair. The new world looks less like the top-down pyramid and more like a web, branching out with the addition of power. SPE answers the need for real-time data by connecting devices all the way to the cloud. In terms of capability, there are few things more impressive than a 1,000-meter run. The international standards that Phoenix Contact adopted for SPE are IEC 63171-2 and -5. These two standards were developed together, with one for IP20 and one for IP67, and mateability between them both provides a fully connected future. In accordance with IEC 63171-2, Phoenix Contact provides a compact design and latch placement on the short side for high packing density. Note the size compared to the RJ45. This design is for IP20 environments, including cabinets and office devices. We offer the design with a PCB receptacle containing pin contacts and a mating cable plug with socket contacts. For field assembly, a plug using insulation displacement, or IDC, is available. For IP67, defined in standard 63171-5, The M8 design was integrated around the same mating face as the IP20 connector. It is a true M8, requiring no new cutouts or tooling for manufacturers, which makes retrofitting and backwards compatibility easier due to form factor and mechanics of installation. You can see a close-up of the M8 mating face here. By having both male and female cable connectors, you can realize scenarios as you see demonstrated here. Sensors traditionally have the male end, so female-ended cables are needed. The other advantage is the overall design possibilities. A key to this new technology is flexibility, and the variety of connections is needed to unlock the unlimited possibilities. So what's next for SPE? Some of the possibilities include the M12 design support of a single twisted pair, as well as a set of 4 twisted pairs. We are prototyping potential future devices to demonstrate concepts made possible by SPE. These are additional examples of how the connector design is backwards compatible while also being future-oriented. In conclusion, SPE is our opportunity to decide the future. SPE enables our current trends, and Phoenix Contact connectors make it all possible. Small size allows connection with smart devices and IP20 or IP67 environments, with lighter cables that can carry data further. In terms of efficiency, being able to integrate SPE into existing designs will allow for adoption in stages. Harmonizing standards from the device to the cloud means connectivity has never been easier. Offering the variety of mating faces and cross IP20, IP67 interplay means unlimited possibilities. As you can see, we have a host of resources for support. Please visit our webpage, www.phoenixcontact.com/SPE. Sample connectors are available on request. We are members of the SPE System Alliance. Adopting a new technology can be challenging. The SPE System Alliance is a group of companies with expertise in a range of areas, such as cables, connectors, chipsets, switches, and sensors, to name a few. These companies have committed to using the -2 and -5 standards for the reasons we've discussed. For more information on the SPE System Alliance, visit www.singlepairethernet.com. SPE answers the need for simpler and smarter data flow based on an expansion of reliable Ethernet networks. We are excited to co-develop and introduce this future-proof connector system. Let's continue to build the future together. Learn more at www.phoenixcontact.com/SPE.